this segment, we're going to talk about tuning the JVM for Apache Kafka. Now, be really clear right up front, there's no silver bullet in tuning the JVM. It's going to be different depending upon your workload, the machines you're running on, how much hardware you have, the CPUs. There really just isn't a cookie cutter solution to saying, do this and the JVM is tuned. So let's take a look at a sample LinkedIn settings of how they run Kafka. So you can see here they have XMS, so they're setting 4 gigs as the minimum heap size and 4 gigs as the max. Usually a pretty good practice regardless, as that lets the runtime allocate a big chunk of memory that it can then work with. So now you're not having to constantly grow the memory and pay that expense. They set a couple of various things here related to the generations of the garbage collection, the permanent size, the max permanent size. And one thing that, to point out, which they also highly recommend, is that you use the G1GC garbage collector. Okay, and in this case, they also have a max pause of 20 milliseconds. And they also set the heap occupancy %. So this setting here works great in their environment. Their environment we have listed below is 15 brokers, about 15,000 partitions, doing about 400,000 messages a second inbound, is 70 megabytes a second inbound data, 400 megabytes a second outbound data reading. So it's a decent sized cluster that's there, and these are the settings that they use. Now again, you may have more success with slightly different settings. So that brings up the last point that I have here. Really, to benefit from any JVM tuning, you're going to need to measure and adjust it based upon your workload and the hardware you're running on, or in many cases, could be virtual hardware. So again, you could use the LinkedIn settings as a guide, but you really need to take a look at your environment and tune from there.